friends, Mrs. Skippington here to take you through your literacy choices for today. So as always, we'll start with the must-dos going across the top of your choice board. The first activity, which is in this packet, dated 12, 10, and 11 for cohort B, 12, 14, and 15 for cohort C. Okay. The first activity, is the Andy Apple alphabet page. So you'll put your name at the top. This is for your alphabet book. And you trace this A and then write 2 more capital A's, trace this lowercase a, and then write 2 more. And then you're going to draw a picture that goes with this sentence, will you smile at the ape? Remember that book we read about that little baby who wouldn't smile? And somebody was trying to take a picture of her, and they showed an ape puppet. So make sure your picture goes along with that sentence, okay? All right, the next must-do activity is who lives in the at house. And this is the at house. This is for the word family at, which we've been working on this week as well. So you have 3 different little floors, say, on the at house, and 3 sets of puzzles. This is one puzzle, this is another puzzle, this is another puzzle. So you can cut those out, and then your job is to put the puzzles together so that the picture makes sense. And the other thing, the way you can look at it is make sure that A and T are the last 2 letters, and then you will build some words. So go ahead and cut those out, build each word, making sure your A and T are last, and making sure your picture is put together correctly. Once you have them all set up and you feel like it's right, then glue it down. Maybe show a grown-up at home. Then glue it down, and then you can color it. You can color the house, color the little picture, the little puzzle, and then read those words to your family. I was so impressed with how you read those words when we did our own at paper at school. So give that a try. It's great practice reading. Okay, so that is that's the second of your must-dos. Your third must-do, you're going to use this cool rainbow. This is different rainbow writing than we've been doing for the sight words to, come, me, and at, which are our newest sight words. And so what you do is you write the word to, like a few times, to, and to, say, maybe 4 times. Come, however you can fit me and at, and make sure they're all the same color. So if you decide to do, I don't know, blue, make that whole band, whatever you write for your sight word to, say, is blue. And then your next sight word, yellow. And then your next sight word, green. Whatever colors you want to do. You don't have to stay in rainbow order, because as you can see, we haven't even got enough bands to do all the rainbow. But pick your colors and keep to one color for each word and for each band. And that's another activity to get you to practice for your sight words. So for your choices, we have this paper, which is a letter investigator. So this little guy's an investigator. He has binoculars. He has a little magnifying glass there with capital and lowercase a. You can trace those up here. You have pictures down the side. You're going to cut those out and then pick the ones that begin with a and glue them into these spaces. Okay? So the pictures are apple, a fish, the ABCs or the alphabet, an astronaut, an ant, a bear, an alligator, and an ambulance. So those are all the cards you have to choose from. Choose the ones that begin with the A sound, and then trace and write upper and lowercase a. I'd say trace and then write twice. That's not a lot of space. All right, and don't forget your name. Okay. That's a choice activity. Another choice activity is to watch the Alpha Blocks video for the at family. The Alpha Blocks are pretty fun. I think you'll like them, so check that out. And then your last choice is to go ahead and listen to the Andy Alphabet song. I know you've heard it before, but listen to it again and listen for the a words. Also, if you watch the video, you will see some of these words, okay? And then also in that same block, there's Starfall letter A. Okay, so Starfall is a site that's big. It's got a lot of stuff. So if you click on the link, it takes you to A, and there's just a really short little introduction to A, and it looks like that's all there is. But if you click the little A in the bottom, right hand corner of the screen, it takes you to another place. You might actually have to click that twice. And it takes you to this page with a bunch of building blocks with all of the letters of the alphabet. So you can click on the top block for A. You can also click, there's a bottom circle for A, and you click on any of those first two bottom ones. There's different alphabet songs and things to do there. And yeah, so that's for A. And yeah, you might come across a page where there's stuff that is blocked out because you're not a member. That's okay. We only want you to just get into practice with A. And then if you feel like it, you can look at some of the other letters, M and S or something, and see what's going on that part. It's Starfall as well. So that is your literacy choice board for today. I'll see you soon for math.